sea, horses, hurricanes, earthquakes, tsunamis.
He's the god of weather.
The god of storms.
Oh no, that's what Zeus is.
Well,
Zeus is
Poseidon is the god of the storms.
What's
As well as
Zeus the
ocean
god
and
of?
sea.
the sky.
So like the thunder and the lightning are his territory?
That's all Poseidon.
So,
The lightning is only Zeus.
oh, that's right, lightning Zeus, because lightning and water don't go
But
together.
when lightning touches something, it causes thunder. But the storm itself is Poseidon.
But I just relate the elements of a storm, like the rain, the thunder, the lightning, the wind.
Why couldn't the rain be Demeter?
She's harvest, she's the plants and stuff.
And what do
Requires
plants need?
They need water, yes, but
It requires rain.
if it's more of Poseidon, because Poseidon is also the god of sea and water. Any water substance is Poseidon.
Oh!
I'm so happy I have my iPod back.
You know the lightning I like? It's the one that'll start in one part of the sky, and it'll just be a chain reaction, go all the way across the sky.
Now, one time it was like that when I was up in Illinois. I was with Hannah, Alexis, and Grandpa during a thunderstorm. Me, Hannah, and Alexis.
Yeah, Alexis and I.
Hannah, Alexis, and I went into the back room where you slept when we were up there. And, you know how there's that window behind the bed? We laid on the bed and we just looked up at the sky. Of course, Hannah would jump every 5 seconds when the lightning came on.
I had one of those caterpillar-looking things crawl up me and end up right here. I had to actually pull it off last night. Yeah. One of those centipede-looking things. I was like, ugh. That was part of the reason that drove me to leave. I was thoroughly disgusted.
So she can't control it.
I know that. I know.
I mean, Frank and her
I
have
mean,
been spraying that yard for... They dropped $200 on spray to get rid of the grubs, get rid of the mosquitoes, all that other stuff. They dropped all that money on spray and it didn't do a damn bit of good.
You need... I'm going to get something for our house that Bill would never let me have. And it's called Ridex.
What's that?
You plug it into the wall. And any wall that touches it will have a vibration shot through it that will keep rodents and insects outside.
So how many are you going to get?
So if there are already bugs in the house and they start to hear that,
What?
You had your camera on, right?
Yeah?
I hope you got that.
so any bugs that are currently in the wall when we move in, trying. Yes, we'll
Hi,
send
Dave.
out away from the wall.
I'm recording the storm. Well, the lightning anyway. He told me to. Okay, who?
He's got Coco in the car. You're right, it did come on quick. I'm just glad I was able to finish everything before it hit. Wow.
Don't hit my car.
Huh?
If it does, total it.
It said don't hit the car. If it does, at least total it so we can get some money out of it.
Why is it bad luck to open an umbrella inside?
Superstition. It is, however, extremely bad luck to use an umbrella outside when it's lightning.
Because it's metal.
Yes, it is. If
You
you
can
have
get plastic one.
If you have a plastic one, it's fine.
Well, Is the superstition of if you break a mirror, it's 7 years bad luck? Is that another superstition?
Superstition.
Yep.
Well, we all know what's not a superstition. Pets shed.
Black cat crossing your path, walking under an open ladder.
Stepping on cracks. Why do they say if you step on a crack, you break
Speaking of,
another's
I want
back?
to talk to Mom. I don't know if that crack in this concrete pad over there is from that tree.
What tree?
Crack.
You think it is?
What crack?
It's over here.
Extends from the front of the slab all the way back to the house. Very well could be.
Well, they can say it is, and then we'll
Whoa!
go into the vet.
That's probably what he just got back from.
Yeah. Believe it or
Wow,
not,
that looks pretty.
Right. Believe it or not, I kind of want to take, if we were to get the puppy for some strange odd unknown reason, I would want to take it back to 70.
She's in Australia.
Take the puppy to Dr. Freeman.
Dr. Freeman's the care of my
And Tegan, and Sammy, and Kalua.
The wet puppy.
Hey, Coco! Woo!
Wow. Not at all threatened, huh?
Brian, I'm just holding it.
You too.
Bye. Bye, Coco. Are you sure we should bring at least Kalua out here? Because Kalua's probably shaking. Sammy!
Okay, looking for it.
And so far, this thing has been 9 minutes.
Nice, good storm.
I think the longest storm I've ever been in was Hurricane Isabel. That's when I learned how to spell Dorcas. Of course I have another way of spelling Dorcas. That's what it is. You don't even notice the rain. Looking through this, you don't even notice the rain. Now will be a really good time for that song, The Thunder Rolls.
No, it is.
That song calms me down.
Okay.